This is body cam video from Kansas City Accountability. And how many times have we seen this? Over and over and over again. The same BS from different stupid cops or lying cops. They will sit there and threaten you to arrest you when they have no clue what they're talking about. And it doesn't bother them a bit. And I'm sure they give each other a smack on the back how proud they are about how they handled it, because they got somebody to stop doing something and not go to jail because they wanted it that way, because they didn't like what was going on, because somebody wasn't getting their rear ends kissed or their boots licked. But yet the people of this country will just keep on letting them do this. And this isn't even the worst of it. This is just minor stuff, really. But it's an everyday thing. One way or another, these cops will sit there and threaten people and arrest people, and they have no clue what they're talking about. So anyway, we get on with the video. This video is body cam video, so it's public domain. But I'm going to give the auditor credit anyway, and I'm going to put a link down after his original video where it actually took place. And we'll see you next time.
How you guys doing?
Pretty good.
I need a badge number. You got it last time.
Yeah.
Can I get it again, please? Sure.
Yeah.
I'm 112.
Oh, Sear, 134.
But how did you pronounce that?
How do I pronounce what?
Your name?
Renfro.
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 Who would you like to speak with first? She's the one that called the police though.
I'll talk to her real quick.
Another what? How did you say that, Miss Mary? Have you looked at yourself in the mirror lately? Yes, I have.
Alright, if you want to go.
Yeah, can I talk to you over here real quick? Here, we can just step over here on the sidewalk. That's all right.
I'm very disappointed, Miss
Ma'am.
They never said anything. You're the only person that said something.
It's okay, watch this. Go ahead. Let her speak.
You can talk to her and stuff.
We're gonna get his body cam footage, so you might as well talk to him right here.
Well, what are they doing?
They're just creating a disturbance. They're just trying to get attention. We have a code of conduct policy that if somebody is creating a disturbance, we can ask them to leave.
Yeah.
And we get to decide where the disturbance is. They go. And I asked them to leave several times. Carla was one of our employees, told them not to be filming her. And they just were doing their clown act.
They were filming people without their permission. They were filming our patrons who do not want to.
They said this is
They were filming your what?
patrons.
They were
Oh,
filming-
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the thing is, we don't know what they're using this for.
Right.
I don't want them to have my likeness on film, and then who knows what they're going to use it for.
Yeah. But unfortunately, it's not against the law or anything for them to film you.
Right.
But you guys have asked them to leave. I guess you said multiple times. So.
And they said they refused to leave. They were even trying to go upstairs through the stairway.
Really?
And that's the inner sanctum up there. Nobody can get in there.
Oh my goodness. Oh, for sure.
Okay. Let me go help him.
Okay.
If I need to come back and talk to you, I will. All right.
You want to come out and you got
Yeah.
enough from her?
Yeah, I'm done talking to her. She's fine.
Man,
I don't know
that's
why you
not
guys are trying to
good.
make
That's not
things
good,
difficult.
Renfro.
Okay.
That we're not trying to make things difficult.
You're not, really?
She has an office right there.
Okay.
I'm allowed to come back
What
in
do we
here.
have?
Okay, so she's asked him to leave multiple times. They came in, said they're recording him, which they didn't like, but they did. but they have asked you guys to leave
Well, as
multiple
long as
times.
we're in a public area, we're allowed to be in there. You can't just ask, so they're discriminating against us?
No, that's not what they're doing. It is a public area, and you
Yeah.
are allowed to be in there.
Correct.
But if they ask you to leave, you do have to leave.
No, it's a public
Not
building.
from a public
Yeah,
building.
you
Can
have to
we get a
commit crime.
supervisor? Can we get a captain out here?
So,
I step outside
so
and
you're
get a
saying that
captain.
you can just stand in the school for as long as you want because it's a
No,
public
no,
building?
this is what I'm telling you, sir. We're gonna calm down, de-escalate. If
yeah,
we
I'm
standing
not
in a
saying-
public space, a public building, no one just can't say leave because you got on black shoes. She's telling us to leave just because we have a camera.
Because
You
you're
have to
causing a
commit.
disruption.
Why do you keep saying
Why are you saying
That's
this?
what it is.
What was
You're taking their
what was
side.
the
I'm not
disruption?
taking anybody's side,
You are.
man.
You
I know
said
I'm
this.
not.
Hold on,
You
but
said disruption
What did we
multiple
say
times.
or
Yes.
do? What did we do to do a disruption?
Apparently recording is what's
You
causing the
can't.
disruption.
This is a constitution
I'm glad you
protected
said that on
activity.
camera, man.
Okay, well, I'm asking you guys to leave and now I'm demanding it, okay?
If we
You
don't-
guys need to leave the
No,
property.
no,
And if we
let's
don't-
get a supervisor here. No,
That would be
He's a sergeant.
He
no,
is.
no, no. I need his captain.
I'm the highest one working right
Hey,
now.
we need a captain here, man, because you're making a huge mistake, bro.
And if we don't,
I guess, look, fortunately you have the video, so if you would like to, you can take us to court if you want us to,
No,
so whatever it is you feel you need to do.
Okay, let me ask you this. We didn't do no crime. She asking us to leave simply because we're
Okay,
recording.
as of right now, you have not committed a crime, and I'm asking you, or I'm demanding that you leave.
Why?
If you do not leave, then you can be failed to obey a lawful order, and you can be arrested for committing that crime. If that is something you
what
would like to
crime?
pursue, failed to obey a lawful
that's
order.
a secondary charge.
That is the charge for not leaving this property.
Why do we have to
Okay?
leave?
Because I told you.
But you can't just tell people to leave.
All right, I'm not going to argue with you.
Are
If
you
you
gonna
guys-
arrest us? Say it. Say, I'll arrest you if you don't.
I will
leave.
arrest you if you don't leave.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all we need, man.
That's,
Perfect.
You're a fucking tyrant.
Y'all have a wonderful day.
Yeah,
I thought you was better than that, man.
Thought you guys were good, man.
thought y'all had better things to do with
Oh, better things to do with our life, man. We record people like you.
we
Do
just
not
the
go
whole
back
world to
into
see.
the
You just
library or you will be arrested, okay?
we got your
I might have to take that arrest then.
That's
If you want to
Go through this, let's go through it. Come on.
That's what you want to do. They want to prosecute for trespassing.
Come on, man.
Hold on.
Now you finna go solicit a
he's
trespass.
soliciting, guys. Man, you gotta know better.
Can't learn
man.
from
You
these
gotta know
guys. When you deal with public property, somebody can't just ask you to leave. You have to commit a crime.
I didn't,
They
I
do-
didn't get your name and badge. What's your name and badge?
Oh, Sear 134.
Alright, cool.
They do have a policy in place saying if you
Policy
guys
is Policy doesn't
law.
override
You're a
law.
law enforcer, sir. You're
saying
law.
that if you guys create a disturbance or anything in the library, they can't ask you to
How
leave.
do we cause a disturbance? You failed to say that.
They're considering a disturbance because you guys are
But you
recording.
get, that's where you come into place at, sir. She don't know law.
Okay. so
You're
that's
the
where
law
we're at, yes.
enforcer.
If you don't leave,
She don't know
then you can be
law.
charged with trespassing and failed to obey a lawful order.
Trespassing on public property, absent of a crime.
On this property right here, trespassing would be the crime. Additionally,
It's
failed to obey
okay.
a
We
lawful
don't
order.
go holler.
Yeah, we'll go to. Where's your department at?
Department is 461
So
right there.
there's no lieutenant or
Not
nobody there.
today,
So
no.
it's only you, the sergeant.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
If you want to try next
And what's your
week,
name and badge?
somebody Renfro 112.
All right, man. Yeah, I thought you guys were educated about this
No.
stuff, man.
He's
Like I
not.
said, I thought y'all had
Not
better things to do with
fully.
your lives.
So
Not
record. This is
fully.
what we do. We record
Okay.
and we expose tyrants.
All right. Is there anything else? Only like I said, if you go in here, you can be arrested. If you want to try,
keep saying
fine,
that
I guess.
like you're curious.
Not you. You're good.
We're just recording in public, man. Taking a tour of this library.
Okay.
And
keep
Y'all
saying
try to have a
whatever,
better day, I
man.
guess.
I thought you understood what we're doing here, and it seemed like you don't. We're not here antagonizing people. We understand that they don't know the law. That's why it's so important to you, because you have to come and help educate people.
Well,
Some
I
people think.
appreciate that. I
Some
appreciate
people,
you trying to
check this
educate
out.
people.
Even the bank thought that we couldn't record their bank on the sidewalk.
Okay.
Thankful for the other officer, he was able to come and educate them. Like, hey, there's no expectation of privacy in public.
I think he's mad.
He was able to educate them, but that's why it's, listen, sir, that's why it's so important for you guys. Us saying that we can be in here and recording, that means nothing. But when you come in here, you said you're the sergeant, you come here as a police officer, it makes more sense. You say, hey, they in here, they exercising their First Amendment right. You can't turn that into a crime. We didn't speak to no one until they spoke to us, asking us what we doing.
Well, like I said, if you want any
They
kind
can't-
of civil litigation,
It's
you can
okay,
certainly
man.
go for that.
It's okay.
I don't think
We're
we
gonna be
do
the
want
police
that.
department,
Okay.
man.
Your
All right.
qualified immunity
Y'all
is
have a
gone.
good day.
It's okay.
Y'all have a good day.
It's okay, man. You thought you would do better, man. It's okay.